369 meaning sex meaning? The phrase 369 is often used in a sexual context, particularly in certain online or text messaging communities, to represent a specific sexual position or activity. It is a form of symbolic or coded language used to discuss sexual matters discreetly. However, the meaning of 369 can vary, and its interpretation may depend on the context or the individuals using it. It's important to note that discussions related to sexual activities should always involve clear and informed consent between all parties involved. Open and respectful communication is key in any sexual relationship or encounter. If you have any specific questions or concerns about sexual matters, it's advisable to engage in open and honest discussions with your partners and prioritize consent, safety, and well-being.